How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And for those that don't follow me on Instagram, I recently went back to pull apart and I was able to pull out a few items that are just absolutely crucial to the Forester build. So that's the point of this video. I'm just going to be showcasing you guys what I was able to pull out. And with all that being said, just like the last video, let's go and talk about all the items I was able to pull out. Let's go. Alright, so this is the batch of items I was able to get from pull apart, and as you can see, it's definitely a lot smaller than the last pull apart video, but these are very important to completing the interior for the Forester. So let's go ahead and get started. And for those that don't know, this is the cargo shade or cargo cover for the Forester at the back. Super excited to find this. I was very surprised that I was able to find this at all. A lot of times these do run for over $100 on eBay. So moving on to the next item will be this all-weather OEM Subaru floor mats, which is pretty freaking awesome. So for those that don't know too, these are color matched to my vehicle, which is great. And let me go and show you guys what I'm actually doing right now. So what I have instead is that I'm actually using all-weather mats from a 2018 Subaru Outback. And you'll notice that aside from the colors not matching the rest of the car, the floor mats don't match at all. You can see here how much room, excess room, the hanger is down here instead of up here. But you know, I made do of what I had. I got these for about $5 online. And moving on to the passenger side, same deal here. 2018 Subaru Outback. The fitment's not perfect, but it definitely does the job for now. And moving to the back, these are actually carpet floor mats from a 2017 WRX. But it is nice to say that I will finally be switching to the right color and the ones that actually fit the Forester. Now they are a bit crusty as well, so these would definitely need some good cleaning. And moving to the next item, it is going to be the center console armrest, and let me show you guys why I needed this part. So let's go back to the Forester, and right here you notice this part. This is what I showed you guys earlier, and watch this. It is not supposed to be able to slide like that. It's supposed to lock in place. But really, these springs are all I need to get this part fixed. This armrest is a bit better quality than mine. Mine is all the gunk and dirt, but that can easily be cleaned off. But that's definitely the plan for this part. I'm just excited to have a functional armrest again. Really excited to see how this is going to work. Last but not least, I do want to give a huge shout out to Preston and Kyle for this tip and trick. Now, you may recall from the last video, I told you guys that I did get this coin catch holder from the older Forester, but unfortunately I was not able to get this to work because of how Subaru redesigned the fuse box. But fortunately, Kyle and Preston reached out to me to let me know that what I was missing to get this to work was actually this black little clip right here. I'm going to be making a different video for this just because I want to provide a really short and simple video on how to install the coin catch holder for the fuse box. That way the people with the same problem as I do will get to the solution as fast as possible. So definitely keep an eye out on how to get this clip and how to install the coin catch holder. And with all that being said, it's just a matter of cleaning all these items now. So let's go ahead and get started with that. And to get started, we're just going to be cleaning up the cargo cover with some soapy water and just get it cleaned up all real nice and good. Alright, so next in this video, we're going to be cleaning this up. You can see a lot of gunk and dirt on it, but let's go ahead and clean this up real good. Alright guys, so as you can see here, this is my old one and this is the new one. My old one doesn't have the springs as I mentioned earlier. and that's why my old one doesn't work. So after cleaning the new one that I got from Pull Apart, it's actually in really bad shape. You can see scratches there and scuffs there. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna reuse my old one. It's just a little bit dirty from gunk, but that can easily come off, but it doesn't have any scratches or scuffs. What I'm gonna do instead is I'm going to be transferring the springs from the new one to the old one. I will go ahead and show you guys how to transfer it. It's a pretty simple job, just really removing these two bolts and then making sure that it fits perfectly. And let's go ahead and get that done. And that's pretty much it. It looks to be fixed. As you can see there seems to be some white lube. So what I'm going to be doing is, just to make sure that I follow the same process, I'm going to be applying some dielectric grease right here and right here. Just make sure that everything runs smoothly. Just a quick heads up, you don't want to tighten these bolts too tightly. If you make it too tight, it's not going to slide back and forth like that. So make sure that you give it enough room to function properly. With all that being said, I believe everything is ready to go. Let's put this back on the center console and make sure it functions properly. Alright guys, so we are finally done with the center console fix. As you can see here now, it actually locks in place, which is perfect. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and jump into the next item. And we are finally done with the all-weather floor mats. As you can see, they are a lot better than before. Took a while to get all the mud off, but now it looks really good. And we're gonna try and see how they fit on the Forester. Alright, so that's pretty much how it looks like on the driver's side. As you can see, it's, I would say for the most part, almost a perfect fit. Designed for this car. This is going to provide a lot more coverage than the 2017 Subaru Outback floor mats. Really excited to take this out to the field and see how they work against mud. But let's go ahead and get the other floor mats on. Alright guys, so the remaining floor mats are on, as you can see, and everything looks good to go. Not bad at all, I would say. Now just a quick recap on what we did on this video. We installed new all-weather floor mats. We also fixed this armrest right here to where it will actually lock in place. And last but not least, we did also install this cargo cover, which I have been looking for ever since I got the car. With all those changes to the car, it only costed me 30 bucks, 25 for the cargo covers, 5 bucks for the center arm piece, and then the floor mats were free. I'm guessing they weren't going to charge for those because they were dirty, but that's really all I spent. 30 bucks to get this car up and ready, slowly come together. But with the new changes, it definitely makes the interior just look a lot better and a lot more practical. And that pretty much concludes this video. If you guys did like it, please feel free to leave a like or comment down below. And if you guys want to see what happens next to the XT, the 8696Z or the 50, please feel free to subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.